This is not the video that I set out to record. What I wanted to show you didn't actually get recorded or ended up being corrupted files when I went to look at them. So, what I present to you is what I was able to salvage from the footage that was recorded. So I hope you enjoy it. This is from Memorial Day weekend, 2023, in the Ozark National Forest. Okay, so day 2 in the books. It was a pretty fun day. Did a little trail. I'll have to look the name up and add that in the video, but we did this cool little trail out to our second night's campsite, and then got a little dirty, got a lot of mud. I think tomorrow, actually let me go over to the car. We got a really muddy, as you can see. Hit tons of mud. So yeah, so this is the second night. We are set up for the evening, and tomorrow we will break out again and head out to our third campsite and probably do some wheeling along the way or after we get there, so we'll see.
Potentially, but we are in a cold wave. Let's just get through it. Alright, so pretty heavy brush ahead.
The look on your face.